What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you exactly how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year from meme coins without ever trading a single meme coin. And the way I do it is extremely simple. I create the coins instead of buying them. While most people are out here buying these coins and getting completely dumped on by the devs, well, I am launching the coins and I'm profiting on every single buy in my meme coin. I find the narratives, I launch a coin, and I cash out clean. Everything I do is by myself. It's a simple process that's extremely repeatable, and you can just launch to build up your portfolio. Today I will be showing you everything live on camera for completely free. I will even do a live launch to show you how it's done from my perspective. Now, a lot of people on this app are trying to sell you a course, but I am here to teach you for completely free on how to dev meme coins. I've made all my money from doing it, so I know what I'm talking about. Now, there's something that you guys need to understand if you are still trading meme coins. You guys will eventually lose all your money because most of the time when these coins are created, they just pump and dump. It's the same exact thing over and over again. And for this exact reason right here, I do not trade meme coins. The reason why most traders are not profitable is because they're buying these coins and they're getting completely crushed right after. And that's exactly why I became a dev instead. Now I am the one launching these coins and avoiding the rug pulls. I am the one finding narratives, launching the coin, and then just selling my supply into all the buying pressure. And I make money on all the buyers. I do that over and over again. It's the same process on each launch that I do. You have nothing to lose by launching these coins. Even if no one buys your coin, you can just make a new one, okay? And I personally make thousands of dollars every single day by launching a couple coins, so it is extremely consistent and also it's extremely repeatable, okay? It's the same exact thing over and over again. Now in this video I will show you exactly how to create coins using viral narratives, how to launch it, and then how to cash out clean. Everything will be shown and explained in this video for completely free with a live launch example. And guys, although I do make money from deving indeed, it's all for educational purposes only. This entire video does not constitute any financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Cap! Now first of all, bro, head over to the website called launchmemes.io. Here is where we will be launching our meme coin on. This launchpad is meant for Radium, which means our coins are going to be launched on the Radium DEX in the migration section. It's going to go right here alongside all these good coins. Now you guys need to stop launching on Pump.Fun. It's oversaturated, it's overcompetitive, and most coins on Pump.Fun go absolutely nowhere. Look at these coins, the results speak for themselves. Rhythm coins tend to do much better. That's why we need to be launching coins on launchmemes.io. Now here's exactly how to make a meme coin on launchmemes.io. You can indeed create your own coin from scratch, just like any other platform like Pump.Fun. If you have a name, symbol, and image, you can make your meme coin here. You know, just follow these easy steps, right, one by one, right? Or you can use their free Twitter tracker. Just click your Phantom wallet and you can turn tweets into coins. I think right now it's down, I'm not sure. But yeah, or you can copy trending coins, which means you can turn these viral coins into a new coin, but that coin is going to be launched on your Rhythm instead, okay? So basically every single meme coin here is going viral on Pump.Fun. They all have good narratives and they're all going viral. They're all proven to get buyers basically. And we're going to be copying one coin here back to Radium and make money from that copy from the Radium DEX. Let me show you how with a live launch. Anyways, let's make some money. Let's try to at least, right? Let's copy a coin and yeah, keep watching. So first of all, click your Phantom wallet, right? And let's copy a coin. Go for any narrative. Just make sure that you're not copying the same coin twice. I'm gonna go for, I don't care which one. I'm gonna go for this one. Click on copy the Radium. Ignore the warning, right? This warning is completely normal. Every Rhythm launchpad will get this warning. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be minted. Just wait. And boom, now let's create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. Now for the supply of the coin, okay, right here, click on 90%. I do this for all my coins, right? Every single launch I click this preset. 90% is the golden number. For the supply for your coin that you are buying in, for the amount of SOL, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL for yourself. You are not going to lose this amount. This is how much you are buying in your own coin before everyone else, okay? If you want this back, you can. It's not lost, trust me. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be live. Boom, click on refresh once, and now it's live. People can see your coin and buy in now. Let's go see the chart. I just use Photon. I'm kinda old school. You can use Axum, Nova, Terminal, anything you want. Just go find your coin, and boom, it's already pumping. So many people are buying in. These are all random people. Let's go see how much we're up now. Click on refresh on launchmemes.io, and we're already up 260 bucks from this coin in a matter of a couple seconds. It's all green, people are buying in. This is exactly what I like from these launches, okay? These are all random people buying in, and now all you have to do is just let your coin pump. When I come back, I will show you exactly how to cash out. Be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, we're up decent. Okay, let's go see how much we're up. So let's cash out, come back to launchmemes.io, click on refresh, and we're up $2.74,000. Let's cash this out before it goes down. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm really quick, and then we should be fully out and cash out in our Phantom wallet. Boom, we just cashed out. Now for the moment of truth. Bang! $2.74,000 in my Phantom wallet, bro. That equates to 36 SOL. All for educational purposes only. All from one launch that I did in front of your face, guys. I'm as legit as it gets. Launchmemes.io will be linked down below, bro. Just stay consistent and launch over and over again. And if you want to win 10 SOL like this lucky when you're right here, just like, subscribe, and comment down below, and join my free Telegram group down below, and I will pick someone randomly. Good luck.